Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and keeping safe. So in today's video we are going to talk about how we can shape and groom and shave our eyebrows to make them look enhanced, especially for droopy and hooded eyes. Because I have hooded eyes and I am using a technique lately which makes my eyes look more enhanced. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to know how you can shape and shave your eyebrows to make them look more enhanced, then keep on watching. But before that, do click on that subscribe button and hit that bell button so that you guys know every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So in today's video we just need three things. First is an eyebrow shaver. I am using the one from Miniso. You can get a lot of similar shavers like these online and also in stores, so you can get them. The second thing which you need is a spoolie and an eyebrow definer. So I'm using the one from Sugar. Let's start by talking about what are hooded and droopy eyes. So hooded eyes होती हैं जिसमें आपका eyes का एक part which is just below your eyebrows is dropping over your lid. So if you can see, this part of my brow bone is hooding on my eyelid, so that is called a hooded eye, and it covers some part of your lid so that the part is not visible, it is covered under the hood. These are hooded eyes. And if we talk about droopy eyes are the one whose shape is kind of getting droopy at the end, and they are looking as if they are like drooping like this. So generally जब भी लोग eyebrows shave करते हैं, they just brush their eyebrows and just start shaving under the eyebrows and shaping them. But I understand that it can get a little difficult for a beginner to do that, because you don't know where you have to shape, right? You don't know which hairs you want to take off, how you shape your eyebrows. So for this, what I do is I first shape my eyebrows rather than shaving them. So I'm just gonna take the spool off, just brush all my hairs in their natural direction. कुछ कहीं ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाना है, just brush them like आगे वाले hairs को in upward direction, middle hairs like this, and end को in the lower direction. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow definer and I'm just going to shape my eyebrows the way I want to look. I'm just gonna shape my eyebrows the way I want them to look. So let's get started. Work with really gentle strokes, because our motive is not to do our eyebrows. Our motive is to just create a shape so that we can just get rid of the extract. We just create the shape so that we can get rid of the excess hair which we don't want. Now the trick to make your get your eyebrows enhanced is, generally what we do is, जहाँ तक हमारे eyebrows के hair हैं, we keep our eyebrows till there, right? But this is a mistake which we do, which makes our eyes look even more droopy or even more hooded. So हमें उसके बजाय क्या करना है, we have to make our eyes look enhanced and we have to stretch this area. Now we can't keep on keep our finger and keep something to stretch this area. So इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will shape our eyebrows which is moving away from this area in upward direction. And so if you can see, my eyebrow hairs naturally are till this area, but I have shaped it like this. So if you see the difference from this eye to this eye, now this part is looking as if it is stretched, right? If you can make out a difference. Once you are happy with the shape, now we are going to take our eyebrow shaver and we are going to start shaving off or removing the excess hair which we have. So for that I'm going to just look straight into my mirror because I don't want to screw this up at all. But I guess that's too far, and I'm going to start shaving my eyebrows. So I hope you guys will be able to see. Make sure you are stretching your eyes the maximum possible because you don't want to get cuts. And always whenever you are shaving your whenever you are using a shaver, do not use a shaver like this. This is gonna make cuts. This is not gonna shave your eyebrows. You have to keep your आपको अपना shaver slant रखना है, which is touching your skin, and just start removing the excess hair. Make sure you are stretching your hair, and I am not putting any pressure on my shaver. I'm just touching it with my skin very lightly. If you can see, there is no pressure. It is not stretching my skin at all. Similarly, from upward, you can just shave it like this because now you have a defined line till where you need to shave. So I have shaved my one, and I have shaved and groomed my one eyebrow, and you guys can see the difference. This is how my brow and my eyes look. If you can see the difference, this eye is looking as if it is drooping down, and this eye automatically is looking enhanced from this one. I hope you are able to see the difference. So this was so easy. I know it looks easy and I say it is easy, but when you are doing it for the first time, it can be a little intimidating and can feel a little difficult. So I would suggest you guys do go with an eyebrow enhancer, make the shape you like it, and then go shaving your eyebrows. And I hope this technique would help you guys in making your eyes look enhanced as well. This works perfectly for me. So in case you try this technique, then do tag me in your photos on Instagram. I would be happy to look at them. So I hope this video helps you and this technique help you in getting this enhanced eye look. And I will do my second eye off camera now. So this was it for today. So keep safe, stay at home, and take care. Bye bye.